Hey, it's Juan. I just wanted to make a video. I don't have we don't have any video tours going on right now because work is closed down in like December, but we have four or five coming up in first week of January, so you'll you'll be taken care of. I just wanted to make a short video to first of all thank you for like 9 years of support and hanging out with us. I wanted to wish you guys a Merry Christmas or whatever it is that you celebrate. I hope that you have a great one. Uh, don't live in fear. Have fun. Enjoy. And oh yeah, you probably want. Where's Kim? Right? Let me see if I can turn this around. I'm still trying. I'm just gonna turn the camera around. There's Kim.
Kim's making Christmas gifts right now. Merry Christmas, everybody.
There you go. And yeah, you see, I like shave and put on lipstick for you and everything. Uh,
Oh, God.
So beyond all of that, I just wanted to let you know that we are starting a couple channels. Mine is already up. It's called Area 51. I'll leave a link to it. And so there's a tour of my new wood shop there. And I have a bunch of videos that I have to put together over the next couple of days. So, I mean, if you want to hang out there and make a mess and make mistakes with me and we can learn something together, that's cool. But as always, you know, we're not digital beggars. We don't beg people to subscribe. So if you feel like joining, that's cool. If not, we'll love you just the same. Anyways, enjoy. Happy New Year, and we'll catch up with you soon.